Hey guys, so here I have a wrecked 14 Audi S4, and if your car was wrecked and your airbag is deployed, the car is not going to start. And if you are having an issue, it's not going to start. It's due to a fuse or a relay that's by the battery in the trunk. You can see back here. It's two 13mm nuts and it has a airbag plug at the bottom. So what happens is there's a little safety feature. Here's my old one. That's already the new one. But so pretty much this is how it looks. It has a plug like this at the bottom. All you gotta do is pop up that orange piece and pull it out. So inside here there's a little device that goes off and it breaks the connection between the two wires, so that doesn't let the car start. It's a safety feature from accident once the airbag is deployed. And that's how it looks inside. You can see it's split and no connection. You can actually even pull this piece out. And then yeah, so it's about, I bought one on eBay for about like 11 or 12 bucks. Pretty easy. Changed it out and the car started right back there in the back of the battery on the positive side.